Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with a really quick share. I received some dies a couple weeks ago and I just started playing with it. And they're from the Stamps of Life. And this is the tree die that I received. And here it is. It's the 3 5x7 folded card, but I didn't use it as a folded card. I just use it as decoration for a card. But you can see these are some of the scraps that I have left over. But these are all the dies that it comes with in the set. And there's birds, apples, flowers, all kinds, hearts, all different accessories. So this is the die that I use, and then I also use this die. I use the sloth. He's so cute. And this die is actually from the February 2020 sloth2stamp, the stamp kit, or die hard kit, or the club kit. But those are the two dies that I did use. And so I'm using these to give out at this time for people to just really hang in there. But I ended up making 20 cards, 20 of these. They're all the same, just, you know, I used scrap paper, so it just layered up different brown sloths. And I just added a white card inside. This one's blank because it's light enough to write in. I added my stamp. But yes, 20 of these. So I'm going to be giving these out. I think I'm just going to be sending them in Happy Mail, as well as giving them out personally here to people I know that just needs a little reminder to hang in there. It's almost over. Or it'll be over sooner than we know it. But yeah. 20 cards, boom, all of it, all at one time. With the scraps, there were little pieces of scraps, and I just ended up making these. I have a whole container of these that I had made one day, just adding strips of paper together, and then I can use them as a base for a bag topper or embellishments or whatever. So I have a whole container full of those, and I also added like these well, I guess they are banners, that I made a whole bunch of them, and I just stuck random colors together to form these banners, and I can use them, you know, to stick on embellishments. But so with the scraps that I had some shorter ones than others. I made these, and I couldn't get these into rosettes because they're short, but just added them to those strips of paper that I had in my stash. So that one, this one, this one. So those, and then ones that I were able to make into rosettes, I made a bunch of these, and then I added those banners that I have already pre-made in that box I just showed you. So I made a few of those. They're just tiny. Just a way to use up the scraps after the project is over. And if you guys have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Hope you guys are staying healthy and having chances to craft. I am still having a subby giveaway. It does end in a couple days, so go back to my April 4th video and you can learn how to be entered into that subby giveaway. I, again, hope you guys are staying healthy, and until the next video, Shakas.